Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are a beginner and if you want to get some interesting results with Adsterra network, then you should watch this full video. Here you can see my result. I have got some interesting results with Adsterra network. I'm going to share with you step by step how you can get some results with Adsterra network. Guys, if you do not have website, then don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share with you everything step by step. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on DeepSeek platform and then you can create account on this platform. You can use this platform to make any kind of application. You can make website. You can make any kind of game application using DeepSeek platform. You can simply type your prompt. Here you can see I have made this game application using DeepSeek platform. You can see this game application is working well. Guys, let me show you its prompt. Here is a prompt of this game application. You can use this prompt to make game application. Here is showing HTML code of game application. You can click on run button to preview this game application. Here is showing game. After making this kind of game, you can monetize this game with Adsterra network. Let me show you how you can monetize this game. You can go on Adsterra network. Guys, this is a best network. You can use this network to monetize your website, blog, or social media traffic. Here you can see ad formats. You can use pop under ads, social bar, in-page push, and interstitial ads. First of all, you will have to create account on this network. You can click on this button. It will then take you to this page. Here you can see what you get. You can get high CPM rates, regular payouts, browser-friendly ads, partner care program. Here you can see you can monetize your website, in-app or social media traffic like Facebook traffic, TikTok traffic. You can type here your email address. You can type here your first name, last name. You can type your login ID. You can type your password. You can select your messenger type. Like you can select Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Now you can type your messenger ID. You can select here your country. You can scroll down. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on sign up button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on a smart links button. Here you can see you can create a smart link. You can add the link anywhere. Like you can paste it in any social media post or website. Works great with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram and more. You can click on add a smart link button. Now you can select your traffic type. You can click on add button. Here you can see activation in progress. You need to wait at least 3 minutes. After that you can refresh this page. Click on got it button. Now you can refresh this page. After refreshing this page, you can scroll down. Here is showing a smart link. You can click on copy link button. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can go on DeepSeek platform. You can type your prompt. You can type your this kind of prompt. Great, I want to monetize this app with a smart link. Please show pop-up in 60 seconds. Add this smart link in pop-up button. You can paste your smart link. Also show option to close pop-up ads. You can type here this kind of prompt. Now you can click on this button. Now you need to wait some time. Here you can see DeepSeek platform is generating HTML code for game application. Now you can click on run button. Here is showing game application. You can click here to copy this HTML code. Now in next step what you will have to do is you can go on blogger.com website. You can click here to create your own blog. You can sign up with your email address and password. Now you can type here your blog title. You can type here your game name. Now you can click on next button. You can type your unique blog address. Now you can click on save button. Yeah, here we go. I have successfully created blogger website. Now you can click on theme, click on this icon, you can click on this button. Now click on this button. Click on edit HTML button. Here is showing HTML code of this website. You can select all of this HTML code. Now you can remove this HTML code. You can paste here your game HTML code. You can go on DeepSeek platform. Here is showing HTML code of this game application. You can click here to copy this HTML code. Now you can go on Blogger website. You can paste your HTML code. Now you can click on save button. You can click here to go back. Now you can click on this icon. Click on this button. Now you can scroll down. You can select off option. Click on save button. Okay, after completing it, you can click on view blog button. Guys, here is showing game blogger website. Here you can see pop-up ads. DeepSeek platform has added Adsterra SmartLink on this button. When user will click on this button, then Adsterra network will show advertisements according to user. For that advertisement, Adsterra network may credit your account. Users can also click here to close these pop-up ads. Users can play this game. You can see everything is working well. So guys, you can make this kind of game application. And then you can monetize this game application with Adsterra network. Adsterra network can show advertisements on your game. For that advertisements, Adsterra network may credit your account. So guys, try this method to get some interesting results. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.